In today's video, I'll teach you how to change language in Grab. First of all, what you have to do is launch open Grab application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Right now, you can see over here all the informations are being displayed in English for me. So if you want to change the language, it is actually very simple. For that, tap on the account icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the account interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. In the general section, you'll be able to find the options like Help Center, Settings, Language, Share Feedback. Simply tap on the third option, that is Language. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to the language interface. At first, you'll be able to find the option for app language. What you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find various options of language over here. Simply tap on the language that you want to change to. Now after you do that, you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. Tap on the option confirm. Now after you do that, Grab application will be restarted. Now you can see over here the language has been changed. So that is how you change language in Grab. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.